when you travel on the road and it can sense the speed of the car. You can go to the speed of 0 to 60 miles per second by in the very short time of 5 to 6 seconds. Hello, students. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. We're going to talk about a car which is really very popular now in the Indian market. Its name is Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. जैसा नाम है वैसा ही परफॉर्मेंस है. ग्रैंड ओपनिंग करी है मारुति सुजुकी ने विद देयर कार विच इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. इट हैज़ गॉट प्रोजेक्टर लैम्प्स. अब इसके साथ प्रोजेक्टर लैम्प के साथ इन्होंने ड्यूल प्रोजेक्टर लैम्प दिए हैं विच कैन बी ऑपरेटेड बाय सेंसिंग द मूवमेंट एंड सेंसिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज़ देयर इन द कार इटसेल्फ. ये टेक्नोलॉजी आई है मारुति सुजुकी ग्रैंड वितारा में एंड इट इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम टेक्नोलॉजी विच हैज़ कम इन द इंडियन मार्केट which is, gives you a very luxurious experience and a very mesmerizing experience also, in which you will see when you travel on the road and it can sense the speed of the car and the car comes in front of you. It can flash by itself, and with your fingerprints, with your command of the eye, it can sense the road also. So there is a sensing of the road with the command of the eye is also there. If it thinks, it comes with a technology in which it can move along with the road on the lane. तो लेन का जो कॉन्सेप्ट आया है यहाँ पे ग्रैंड वितारा में, इट कैन सेंस द रोड एंड इट कैन मूव इन द लेन विच इज़ वेरी सेफ टू ड्राइव. So people who want to overspeed and they are not concerned with the other people, उनके लिए ये कार जो है काफ़ी बून होने वाली है, which can really sensitize you towards traveling on the road. अब हमने इसकी सेफ्टी की बात कर ली, अब हम इसके जेट बूस्टर इंजन की बात करेंगे. जेट बूस्टर इंजन इस बार ग्रैंड वितारा में आया है विच कैन गिव यू द स्पीड ऑफ 60 miles per second within 5 to 6 seconds. So you can go to the speed of 0 to 60 miles per second by in the very short time of 5 to 6 seconds, which is not achieved by any other car which has Maruti has launched. एंड जैसा नाम है, मैंने बताया आपको ग्रैंड है, तो ग्रैंड फीचर्स भी हैं. ग्रैंड फीचर्स के बारे में जानेंगे यहाँ पे. तो अगर आप देखें हंच बैक, इसका जो सामने का पार्ट है विच इज़ द शील्ड ऑफ द कार ओवर हियर, it has got a very good sleek shield over here. Then it has got a sunroof also which can be sensitized towards your action. You can operate the sunroof by blink of your eye and it can really open the sunroof. It can close the sunroof with your blink of your eye. So AI technology से ये possible हो पाया है. Again, it comes with the AI technology which can sense your senses, and according to your senses you can move. You don't need to push any button to open the sunroof. You can just command with your eye and the car will open the sunroof. Again, it comes with a very good feature of the interior part. Interior part में काफ़ी इसमें इन्होंने जो व्हील्स के साइड में दिया है, डिस्प्ले दिया है, इट्स वेरी ग्रैंड. इट हैज़ गॉट 360 मूवमेंट ऑफ द बैक लाइट ऑल्सो विच कैन सेंस द कैमरा. तो कैमरा पार्किंग के टाइम पे आपको काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी. Why we are learning the design of the Grand Vitara? Because once you travel on the road you will see many cars, but successful cars के बारे में जानेंगे तो हम अपने डिज़ाइन में वो चीज़ें इनकॉपरेट कर सकते हैं. पीपल हु रियली वांट टू बिकम अ डिज़ाइनर, स्टूडेंट्स, और अगर आपको डिज़ाइनर बनना है, अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल डिज़ाइनर बनना है, सो टॉक अबाउट द कार्स, गेट टू नो अबाउट द कार्स विच आर डूइंग गुड इन द मार्केट. And Grand Vitara is one of the example. Look at the back side, look at the front side. Every part of the Grand Vitara is really grand. It has got good ground clearance also. इस बार काफ़ी मारुति ने इस पे काम किया है कि it has given a nice sleek body with good ground clearance. And if you see the capacity of the engine also, it's very grand. So capacity of the engine is grand as well, and the capacity of the petrol also is there. Now, when it comes to the car, people talk about mileage. It is given a very good mileage with the competing cars of the Maruti brands again. So welcome to this channel again, and we'll get to know about more and more cars later on in the slide, which will be very exciting for you to know. We will become a good designer by knowing the successful brands of the car which are there in the market. Thank you so much. My name is Imran Beg. Stay tuned on Design and Architecture channel to know about more cars like Grand Vitara and get a grand opening. Thank you so much.